Now, back to Maverick.
If you want a second car, and a vehicle for work around the house, and one for hunting and fishing trips, and one the youngsters could use for odd jobs, mister, you want a universal Jeep. Only the universal Jeep can go in mud, go in sand, go through snow or boggy land, tow a boat, clear a road, mow a lawn, haul a load. Yes, the Smart Buy is Universal Jeep, a versatile workhorse and a playboy. Great for fishing in the deep woods, for hunting in backcountry, for family fun. Owning a Jeep vehicle opens a brand new way of life, a way of working better, living fully, having more fun. Who wouldn't rather have a Universal Jeep than just an ordinary second car? Phone your Jeep dealer. Arrange to test drive the all-purpose Universal Jeep.